folks, it's me, Hannah. Hey. Okay. News update. Doctor came and removed the stuffing and did the measurement, flushing and stuff, of course. The depth is about 5 inches, which is fine. It's not the deepest vagina, but it's fine because I'm a lesbian. Lesbian. Alright. This afternoon about 2, they're going to let me get out of the bed. Yes. And afterwards, I'm gonna get a shower. Yes. And then they're gonna dress me, dress me down there with salad dressing. No, I'm just kidding. Sheesh. Dressing, the cause and the medicine and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
So, during the flushing today, which was the strangest experience ever, I thought it was going to hurt, but it didn't hurt at all. But while the doctor was flushing, I felt like peeing. And I was inadvertently, I was trying to hold the pee. Then suddenly I remembered that I still had the catheter in. So I just released myself. I don't know if I was really peeing or it was just the sensations, of peeing. But yeah, that was a really, really strange experience. But it was fun though.
Cool. Laters.